The fifth and final shower of the house is getting waterproofed. This is the bathroom that's in Brianna's room. So as she would say, I saved my favorite for last. And just like the other four, I'm installing the Guru shower system from Place for Pros. And once you've used this versus Durarock, you will never go back. And my original plan was to have this shower niche within that knee wall so it's hidden. However, the shower valves ended up being right there, so I'm adding it to this side wall, and then I'll also put a smaller one within the knee wall as well. My only must-have was making sure that the shower valve was reachable so you could turn the shower on without actually getting wet. I'm also using the Guru prefabricated shower pan. I had to customize the pan a little bit, and her shower is actually a little bit longer, so after installing the shower pan, I actually had to make a mud bed right at the end to extend it. It was my first time making a mud bed, so I just had to make a little extension and slope it right into the pan. And for this drain here, you're just putting silicone all around the inside seam. To keep all of the screw holes nice and waterproof, you just use their sealant and apply a pretty good amount along all of those as well as the seams. And then just smooth out the entire area just to make sure that when you install the tile, it lays nice and flat. For the corners, I ended up getting an inside corner drywall trowel that worked really good to smooth it all out. And the final thing to do with this shower to keep it waterproofed was to install all the banding. I pre-cut all of the bands and mixed up some thin set. And then I waterproofed the back of that mud bed there, making sure to overlap it. Guru also has inside and outside corners that are already pre-made, so I also installed those around the entire shower. And then I waited about 12 hours before starting the flood test. And if your contractor didn't do a 24-hour water test before tiling, you might have a problem.